Hello, this is Ashik. My project is about providing a live chat in an online shopping with the end-to-end encryption. And my guide is Mr. Manigandan, assistant professor of Tech High Tech, who has been guided me for this project, and also co-guide Ms. Lada, assistant professor. She also an assistant professor, also guided me for this project work. And the main objective of our project is to make the client and the buyer to communicate freely in the communicate freely in some manners. Abstract abstract uh, main objective of our project is to provide a live chat in an e-commerce website. In online shopping, we are going to include a new model called a live chat. Through this, the buyer and seller can speak through freely and communicate between them, and the consumer can ask the doubts, and also the buyer can reply it, and the seller can reply it in an immediate manner. Existing systems, this features I have not seen in the existing systems. We are also providing a new algorithm called a modify algorithm for encryption purpose. In existing systems, the main drawback is in live chat. They are not having a live chat. Even though there is a chat, it will not like a live chat. The adminers will play an intermediate role in this live chat. And coming to problem definition, the main problem I have been defined in the existing papers are called or live chat under insecure manner of their post and commands, but it's not like in the proposed system. In proposed system, we have a live chat, so there is not a problem of security, and also we are using an encryption method for this purpose. In this encryption, we can secure the consumer chat. Proposed systems. The proposed system with the live chat will help the consumer to feel free to communicate with the seller, and we are also allowing the consumers to bargain for their product, for buying their product in their wished rates. In the proposed system, the multiple vendor will upload a multiple product and also communicate with the multiple client at a time. So in this proposed system, the other clients will not interact with the communication happens between the buyer and the sellers, so it will be a so secure manner. Next, coming to the software requirements and hardware requirements, I have been used the PHP for front end, MySQL for backend, and OS for Windows X, editor Notepad++. Hard disk 100 GB and RAM 512 MB is an hardware requirement of this project. This is a sufficient for a system this project to run, and also the normal Pentium processor is used for running this project. We are going to have modules. There is a 5 module: product upload, product description, cart, chat, payment modules. Coming to the product upload is nothing but uploading a product. The vendor will upload a bulk of a product in websites where the consumer can see. And the next module is a product description. In this module, nothing but the detailed brief of a product will be given. For example, the color, size, and the amount of a product, quantity, quality of a products, type of a products will be contained in this description. Next, cart module. Cart module is nothing but an instant storage of a product details. The consumer who are viewing the website, they can add the instant product to this cart module and can make the payment after they are willing to buy this product through cart module. Chat module. In this module only, we are going to make the buyer and the seller to have a communication between them, and chat sections going to happen through the encrypted way. These modules will be helpful for a buyer and seller to communicate easily and clarify the doubts. Payment module is a mandatory in every shopping websites. Through this module, we can pay for our products in a cash and a credit card, debit card. Next is existing architecture. This is existing and this is a proposed architecture. In this proposed architecture, we add a new module called a chat and payment gateway, etc. Next is an ER diagram. The ER diagram which describes the modules along with its submodules. Each and every module has its submodule in this. The overall detail will be explained the year. Next we are having a use case diagrams. Next we are having a data designs. The data design has a four field type size constraint. The field, what all the field include, type is a data types and size is a size of a data type. Constraint is defined in null and not null. We have more than 6 to 7 data designs and this is a data dictionary. It will describe what is a field and what is a field. Just simply describe the what is a field, and it also have a 4 to 5 data dictionary tables. And coming to table relationship table. In table relationship, we have a product table. In the product table, it is split into the product options and product category, and also after the consumer selects the product category, he can move on to the order module. In the order module, it will contain the shipping order details and the user detail. The shipping order details is address, mobile number, and where and when this module will be sent, and the user will include an email, mobile number and his address in the user module along with a user ID. Next we are having a data flow diagram. In the data flow diagram, admin and the consumers will meet in the website and the details are stored in the databases in a simple manner. We can see the detailed manner in a level 1 diagram. In level 1 you can see that has a much more brief description, and level 2 will have a detailed description of a products. Next, snapshots. This is my home page. This is a sign in which we can log in, and this is a next cart we can upload product, and next is an product display. Thank you. Hi, this is Ashik. This is my e-commerce website project. This e-commerce having many stuffs like shoes and dresses. In this only we are going to have a live chat. Here sign in and sign up and mobile numbers and your emails. I am signing up with a new name called Ravi. RABI Ravi, and an email ravi@gmail.com. And then passwords, the digit on your wish, and I'm giving confirming a password again. Signing up. We have been successfully signed in and signed up. Again I go to logout and sign in with another account. I'm giving access Ravi password. If you miss the @ symbol, it will intimate that you are missing an @ symbol in the Gmail. So email. Here I am giving a signing up. It shows an invalid username and password because I have given a password wrongly. And again I am signing in with the same account ravi@gmail.com, and then giving a passwords. It's showing again invalid username or password because the password is wrong. I have forgot the password, so I'm going to sign in with another account which I remember password. I'm getting signed in. And you can see the menus: men's, women's, kids, chat, logout. First, I'm going with the men's. It shows the men collections and also a hot block. And you can see down the Flickr post and the contacts. And I'm going to buy the white shirt. It shows me a quick view, and I'm getting into the quick view. And if I want to add this product to the cart, I add to it. You can see the product display and can pay for it using a checkout. I am filling my addresses. Everything is a mandatory, and I'm making a payment to the credit cards. Confirm order. It will ask a delivery address and CVV number and date of birth, etc. Giving a date of birth fully, and I move on to the CVV. CVV contains 3 digits, and CVV. I'm giving a CVV number, and I confirming the order. By clicking a confirm order, you can see successfully the order placed. After clicking OK, we may again log in. Now we can move on to woman page. It shows woman collection and kids, and then chat. This is a live chat. I am giving user ID and password. It shows false because we have not yet registered in the live chat. So before going to the login, we have to get into the register page by clicking a create an account. There I am giving my full name and my user IDs and my password, and I give register. Afterwards, I am giving my user ID and my password and login. You can see it shows a false because I given a wrong password. So I giving a correct passwords and giving a login. We have been entered into the chat sessions. I am giving a hi, and if I give send, the chat will be added in the chat session along with the date and time. Then log out. We are get out of the chat and our account. You can see that our e-commerce site also having a Gmail account. It will go to Outlook. This is a slideshow of our e-commerce site. This is the whole process of my e-commerce site with a live chat. Thank you for watching.